The question says, show that among all rectangles of constant perimeter, P, the square, has a maximum area. Oh, of constant perimeter P, the square has a maximum area, not that the square is P. Well, a rectangle, I can draw like that. It's got sides. I'll just call them X, Y. I don't know what they are. And two sides, the lengths are the same, the widths are the same. And if it's a square, then they're all the same. They're all some S, or X equals Y, in other words. Let's say this is X, and this is Y, and X equals Y. And it's an optimization problem. So I have to prove that X equals Y in this situation. The perimeter of a rectangle is, I'm calling them X and Y, 2X plus 2Y. And the area of a rectangle is X times Y, length times width. And again, if they're the same, then it's side times side, or X times X, or X squared, or Y squared. They're both the same. So I will get this equation, everything in terms of Y, and then plug it into this equation, and then optimize it using calculus. I could say P minus 2X equals 2Y. Divide both sides by 2. P over 2 minus X equals Y. I just divided both sides by 2. P divided by 2 is P over 2. Negative 2X divided by 2 is negative X. Now plug that in here. Area equals X times P over 2 minus X. In other words, Px over 2, I'm just distributing. It's a bad 2, minus X squared. And now the derivative. A prime equals P over 2 minus 2X. To optimize this, now what does this look like? Px over 2 minus X squared. It's some kind of upside down parabola. If you graph it on your calculator, graph it on Desmos, you'll see that it's some kind of upside down parabola no matter what the value of P is. So it's going to have a maximum value for that area. So I will set that equal to 0 because I'm optimizing. And let's see, I get P over 2 equals 2X. Then I will divide both sides by 2. I get P over 4 equals X. Well, if I plug that into this equation, I can find Y. P over 2 minus Y equals, P over 4 is 2P over 4. 2P over 4, or P over 2 is 2P over 4 minus P over 4 equals P over 4. So Y equals P over 4, and X equals P over 4. They're the same. So this is a square where the sides, the length, now that's P over 4, and width are the same. So there, it's a square.